Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
Penny. Penny, are you okay?
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the vet. We have to go. We have to go.
Hey Sam, so the bet was if you get 1,000,000 views, you have to go to the vet. So, you know what time it is. I have to take you. Come on, let's go. Sam, we have to go. Come on. Everything's gonna be okay. Oh, it's okay.
We're not even here for you.
Tiny bubble. Hazel. Are you high, bud? I think you might be high.
Dili, Dili, hadi.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. My guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend, how much I love your best friend.
You was at the club, bottoms up when I first met you, couldn't get enough.
And it went like
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side.
I think you know where this about to go.
Yesterday my mommy took me to the vet. The doctor said I was obese. I thought she said I had nice teeth. So I was happy. But then mom said I needed to lose weight and needed longer walks. I said, does it look like I like fucking walks? Then she told me no more table food. I have to eat my dry food cause it will help me lose weight. So I said, if dry food helps you lose weight, why isn't your fat ass eating it?
hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl.
He comes alive at midnight. My mama doesn't trust him.
Oh, I think I got most of it out.
No, this is for you.
It's the same color as you. This is a heart teddy. Do you want to grab onto that instead?
Wakey, wakey. There we go. Good girl.
You bite that one. You tell her all about it.